Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see top 5 scenarios that was recently asked in the Tableau developer and the business intelligence developer interviews. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe for the channel, so it will gives me motivation to create more videos like this. So without wasting any time, let's start with the scenarios. So first of all, we will connect the data source, that is a sample superstore data we will connect. So as you can see, we have connected our data source, that is sample superstore data in the Tableau. We have this data source by default in the Tableau, so you can connect this data. After that, our first scenario is find the sales for current month and previous month in order date. Okay, so first we will take order date into the rows and make it as what we want. We want current and previous month. So we will make it as month and year. Okay. So we will make it as month and year and we will make it as discrete. So as you can see, but in this data, we don't have year 2024. As you can see, we have data till only December 2023. But we want 2024 data because we want to find current and previous month data. So for that, we need to create a new date field, and in that date field, we need to add 2024. So we need to add one year in this date, comma, in the order date we want to add, okay, year, comma, no, sorry, in the year we want to add 1 year, comma, in the order date. So what it will does, this date add function add 1 year in our order date. So now in this order date we have 2024 as well. As you can see, the 2024 is added in the date field, and as you can see in the previous order date we have data till only 2023. So what data add does, data add excluded the previous year and add 1 year into it. So let's start with the scenario. Again, move to our scenario. So we will make it as month and year and make it as discrete. So now as you can see, we have 2024 and the January 2024. So what we want actually, we want, so now we have a February month. So 6 February is the today's date. I am recording it on 6 February. So you need to want to find the current month sale and previous month sale. Means I want to find February sale and January sale in this uh, date field. So for that, we need to write one calculation, and I will write it with the help of date difference field. So I will make it as, name it as current month and previous month sale. And the calculation that I write is date diff. Okay, we want to find month, comma, from we want to find, sorry, we have created new date. So we want to find the new date from new date, comma, today. And if here I will do equal to 0, so what it will shows, it will only gives me the current month sale, but I want to find the current month, and as well as this is the current month and as well as previous 1 month. Let's complete this and apply. Okay, and take this current month, your calculation field into the filter and make it the true values and press OK. So as you can see, we have only January 2024, that is our previous month, and February 2024, that is our current month. So let's drag the cells into the text, and as you can see, we have January 2024, the previous month sales, and the current month sales. Okay, so this is the our scenario. So next, move to the next scenario, that is find first and last order date in each year. Okay, so we want to find the first and last order date in each year. So first we will drag our order date. Okay, and we will make it as exact date and discrete. So now as you can see, we have a 3 is our first like minimum order date or first order date, and 13, no, I will take the new order date field, sorry for the inconvenience. So I will make it as exact date and discrete. So this is our date. So we have a 3/1/2021 is our first date, and 30/12/2024 is our last order date. Okay. So now we want to find the first and last order date through this date field. So for that we need to write one calculation, that is first and first sorry first and last order date. Okay, so for finding the first and last order date, we will fix minimum, okay, order date, and let's complete the fixed minimum order date and equal to order date. Okay, so we have fixed the minimum order date because we want to find the minimum order date through this order date field. Okay, through this order date field. So I will take the new date here, sorry. Fix minimum new date equal to new date, or this is our first condition, or we want to find maximum means our last order date as well. So max new date, let's complete this LOD, fix LOD equal to new date. So what is actually we have done in this calculation? We have fixed the minimum new date like this order date, and equal to we want to find the order date through this first minimum order date, and likewise we want to find the maximum order date through this order date field. So we have created this new date field, so that's why we have named it as new date. You will consider that as an order date. Okay, so let's apply this and click OK, and take this filter shelf, make it true and OK. Okay, so what it will do through this calculation, as you can see in this new date field, we have the minimum first date, that is 3/1/2021, and last date, that is 13/12/2024. So with the help of this calculation, when you make it true, it will gives you the first and last order date through this entire order date field. Okay, but we want to find, our scenario is we want to find the order date in each year. So likewise I will show you one example. So I want to find the first order date in 2021, that is 3/1/2021, but I want to find the last order date in each year, like I want to find the last order date in the, 2021, that is, as you can see, that is 31/12/2021. So I want to find the first and last order date in each year. So for that you need to take the new date into the filter shelf, make it year. Okay, take years, next all years we want. Okay, and show the filter. Okay, so now if I select 2024, so it will shows me only the first and last order date. Like I will take this calculation. So as you can see, if I select 2024, it will shows me only the last order date because our last order date is in 2024. But if I select 2023, it will shows me nothing because our date is only minimum order date is in 2021 and maximum order date is in 2024. But I want to find each and every year minimum and maximum. So for that we need to make this year into context. So when you apply context into the year field, it will shows you the minimum and maximum order date in each year. So as you can see, our minimum order date in, we will take sales in the text as well. So your minimum order date in 2021, that is 3/1/2021, and maximum order date is 3/1/12/2021. Likewise, you can see 2022, likewise 2023 and 2024. But if you want to find all the entire data set, like entire order date field, you want to find only the minimum and maximum. So remove this context and you will get the minimum and maximum order date through this entire data set order date. And when you apply the context into the this order date, so it will gives you in each and every year first and last order date. So I hope you understand the scenario. Let's move to the next scenario, that is find average sales of customer in each region. So first we will take the region. Okay, so region, sorry, so we will take the region into the row shelf. And now I want to find the each and every region wise customer average for like sales. So what are the average sales of customer in each region? So we will find with the help of one calculation, and the calculation is, I will name it as average sales of customer in region. Okay, and the calculation is sum of sales divided by count D, because we want to find the district customer count and the customer name. Okay, so let's apply this calculation. Okay, and take this into the text. And as you can see, we have finded the our average, that is in central region we have 800 average sales of customer, in east we have 1015 average of sales, in south 765, and in west 1078. So as you can see, we have founded the average of each customer in the regions. So let's move to the next scenario, that is our fourth scenario, replace nulls with zero. So for that we need to, so I will take category and subcategory for example. Okay, you can take any field that you want. So now as you can see, we have some data here, but some fields are null. So I will show you first. So I will take text. So as you can see, we have some nulls in this data. So the null fields, I want to replace it with zero. So how can I do that? So to replace nulls with zero, you can create one calculation field. So you know there are the different functions to handle nulls, that is null, if null, okay, zn. So we will use zn function in this scenario. So I will name it as the replace nulls calculation. Okay, and with the help of zn, we will replace this nulls. So in zn we will use lookup to find the sum of cells. Okay, and comma, the offset is 0. We want to replace it with 0. And let's click on apply. Okay. And the calculation that we have created, take it into the text. And as you can see, wherever we have cells, that it will show the sum of cells of that values. And wherever we have nulls, it will show the 0 instead of null, because we have replaced our nulls with the 0. So this is the scenario. I hope you like these scenarios. If you like, please do like and subscribe for the channel. Let's move to the next scenario, that is show top 3 profitable months in each year. So this scenario looks complicated, but trust me guys, it's a very simple scenario. So for this scenario, we need to take first, suppose we will take our new date, and we want to show profitable months, top three profitable months in each year. So I will take sales first, make it as bar, okay, and I will make it as descending. So as you can see, in the 2021 we have September, November, and December. These are the top three profitable. Sorry, we want to take profit. So as you can see, in the 2021 month, we have a December, November, and September are the three profitable months. In 2022, we have November, March, and September, three profitable months. In 2023, we have October, December, and September, top three profitable months. And in March, we have September, October, and March. So likewise, we want to find only top 3 months in each year. So for that, what will you do? So as you can see, I will take profit into the column and make it descending. So it will shows us only top 3 months first. But I don't want to show the other months as well. I want to show only top 3 months. So we will duplicate this sum of profit field with the help of control, and on the duplicated field make it as rank through the quick table calculation, and after making rank make it as compute using pen down. Okay, and let's take this into the filter and select top 3 months. Okay, and as you can see, it will shows us only the top 3 months in each year. I will show you once again. Okay, so I have taken year and month, then I have taken the profit into the column shelf and duplicate this profit field with the help of control, and on the duplicated field apply the rank. Okay, because we want to find it as per the profit, so with the help of rank it will shows us the top three profit months. Okay, with the help of rank, so apply rank. After applying rank, make it compute using pen down because we want to find each and every year, so that's why we want to make it as pen down. And after making pen down, let's take this into the filter shelf and select whatever, like you want to see top 3 or top 4. So I want to see top 3 months profit wise, so select top 3 and press OK. So as you can see, it will shows us and make it descending, so it will shows us top 3 profitable months in each and every year. So that's it in this scenario. I hope you like this playlist. If you like this playlist, please do like and subscribe. And that's it in this video. Thank you guys.